Howdy y'all, welcome to another Grabbing Gears video.
This time we're going to be talking about the new lights that we put on the truck.
We hope you enjoy it. So these headlights are a huge improvement over the stock ones that come on this F-250. First off, they just look cool. They've got this great accent strip right here, these two halos, a cool turnstile on top, and a whole smoked housing that just give this truck a mean look. In addition to that, you have your projector low beams. What this does is it spreads the light out in front of you evenly with a clean cutoff to give you the most bang for your buck, per se, with your headlights. So you're gonna see the best that you can right in front of you. But these ones are cool too because they leave the high beams as a reflector housing. So it's gonna spread out really far in front of you and give you the best light output for that. And the projectors are great too because you can switch it out for an LED or an HID and not blind any of the drivers and get all the benefits of having a brighter light right in front of you.
To install the headlights, you have to take the grill off, and there's 4 bolts, one on top, 2 on the side, and 1 under the headlight, between the headlight and the bumper. Once you've done that, you have to pull on the headlight and it'll pop out. It's mostly plug and play except for the halos and the daytime running lights. For the halos and the accent lighting, you have to splice into the parking lights or the running lights on the truck's existing wiring harness. I use quick tap connectors, but you can use any kind of splicing system you'd like.
So to match the headlights, the taillights are also blacked out, but not to the point where you can't see them, like using night shade or tint or something like that. These ones have a whole bunch of LEDs inside that light up nice and bright when you stop and you put your turn signal on, and are still really bright when they're just your running lights when you're just driving along. And these ones are cool too because they give you the reflectors inside the housings and these 2 little tiny lights on the side, just this little side marker lights, and they leave the reverse light housings as reflectors just so they project nice and bright and wide when you're backing up. So more on the reverse lights, Joe put these LEDs in, which are just going to give you a nice, white, bright light. They're not really going to do anything because they're in the reflector housing, but it just changes the color of the light to give you a better color in the back so you can see everything better.
You unscrew this bolt and this bolt, and then the whole tail light assembly pops out, and it's plug and play after that. The third brake light is just this screw, and the whole assembly falls out, and you plug and play after that. The install of these was pretty easy as well. There's just a little clip